Blood pressure. This blood pressure is measured with the help of an instrument called as sphygmomanometer. The pressure exerted by blood on the wall of arteries or on the wall of blood vessel is called as blood pressure. This blood pressure is measured with the help of an instrument called as what? Sphygmomanometer. It is usually measured from the brachial arteries. Arterial blood pressure. The pressure exerted by blood on the wall of artery is called as arterial blood pressure. The blood pressure are of two different types as systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure, pressure exerted by blood on the wall of arteries at the time of ventricular contraction or ventricular systole is equal to 120 mmHg. Diastolic blood pressure, the pressure exerted by blood on the wall of arteries during ventricular relaxation, that means ventricular diastole, is about 80 mmHg. So the normal blood pressure in human being can be denoted as 120 per 80 mmHg. 120 it is systolic blood pressure and 80 it is diastolic blood pressure. Pulse pressure. The difference in between systolic and diastolic pressure is called as pulse pressure. Pulse pressure is normally 40 mmHg. So the difference in between systolic pressure and diastolic pressure, it is called as a pulse pressure. That means the difference in between 120 and 80 is 40 mmHg. If this normal blood pressure is get deviated, normally it is 120 per 80 mmHg. If it get deviated, then it indicates malfunctioning of the heart. Then why the conditions of deviations related to the blood pressure is get increases? It may be due to first high or low blood volume. Then high or low blood volume is get arised due to malfunctioning of kidney. If kidney is not functioning normally, then the amount of blood volume, it may get increase or it may get decrease. If the amount of blood volume get increases, blood pressure is get increased. If amount of blood volume get decreases, blood pressure is get decreases. Second, arteriosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis is an age-dependent disorder. In arteriosclerosis, what happens? In old age, the elasticity of artery is get decreases. If the elasticity of artery get decreases, the wall of arteries become harder, and due to this inelastic nature or hardening of the artery, the condition of arteriosclerosis is get arised. Due to hardening of the wall of arteries, it leads to increasing in the blood pressure, because here if elastic valves are there, due to elastic valve they can sustain the pressure, but if the wall becomes harder, they can't sustain the pressure and they exert as it is the pressure at another end of blood vessel also. So the blood pressure it is get increases. Third one, atherosclerosis. What is meant by atherosclerosis? Deposition of a fat like cholesterol in the lumen of artery is called as atherosclerosis. Here the size of lumen get decreases. At certain region, if the fat is get accumulated, it leads to decreasing in the size of lumen of artery. Automatically, if lumen size get decreases, the blood pressure is get increased. The next, fourth one, renal disease, that it is a kidney diseases. Fifth one, emotions induced hormonal changes due to emotional stress, due to emotional imbalance, due to emotional condition, the hormonal changes are takes place which result in increasing or decreasing in the blood pressure. Then sixth, obesity. In an obese person, the blood pressure it is higher. And seventh, hypertension. The blood pressure is get increased than the normal range, and hypotension, the blood pressure get decreases than the normal range. First one it is given over here about hypotension. Hypo means blood pressure lower than the normal range, below 90 per 60 mmHg. So low BP is equal to 90 per 60 mmHg, and high BP is equal to 140 per 90 mmHg. Hypertension, increase in the blood pressure than the normal range, it is called as a hypertension. So these are the different things which leads to deviating the normal blood pressure. Deviate means derange. Derangement in the normal blood pressure it is occur due to all those factors. The next, factors affecting on the blood pressure. Here you can observe the different factors are affecting on the blood pressure. First one, cardiac output, the amount of blood pumped by heart per minute. If it is get increases, then the blood pressure is get increased. Peripheral resistance is also affecting on the blood pressure. Blood volume, if blood volume increase, blood pressure increase. If blood volume decrease, blood pressure decreases. Length and diameter of blood vessel, obviously as length get increases, blood pressure increases. As blood diameter of blood vessel get increases, blood pressure get decreases. Diameter of blood vessel get decreases, blood pressure get increases. Viscosity of blood, if viscosity of blood get increases, blood pressure is get increased. If viscosity decrease, blood pressure is get decreases. Age, as age goes on increasing, blood pressure is get increased. Gender, in male blood pressure is higher compared to female. Venous return, the amount of blood which is collected from the body towards the heart with the help of a veins, it is called as a venous return. If venous return get increases, then the blood pressure it is get increases. Sleep, so normal sleep is most important thing to maintain the blood pressure. Emotions, emotional disturbances affect on the blood pressure. Exercise, while exercise automatically obviously the blood pressure it is get increases. Anxiety, any kind of fear, any kind of anxiety into the mind, it leads to increasing in the blood pressure. So these are the different factors who affect on the blood pressure.